Because it is such a highly cooperative enterprise, this award is not given to an individual. It goes to a sound recording department. Those nominated are All About Eve, 20th Century Fox; Cinderella, Walt Disney Productions, RKO Radio; Louisa, Universal International; our very own Samuel Goldwyn Productions, RKO Radio; and Trio, J. Arthur Rank, Sydney Box, Paramount British. The envelope, please. The winner, All About Eve.
The sound department of 20th Century Fox has previously won 3 awards for sound recording. Wilson in 1944, The Snakes Pit in 1948, and 12 O'Clock High in 1949.